Hey, Rich. Yeah, I had a lot of fun taking a first look at the PlayStation 5 Pro in person, for sure.
Excellent. Well, tell me about the setup here. This was essentially a press event that was set up for a number of outlets, right?
Yeah, that's correct. Basically, there was a Sony hands-on event in San Francisco that I attended, which is also included in the PlayStation 5 as well, plus RTAO, plus RT transparency, and RT opaque reflections. And we do have some footage here that I was able to match, part of at least. But in the few shots that I was able to match, the RTAO and the RT reflections can make a pretty insane visual difference, like a really stunning visual difference. In the right circumstances, I think it's almost a generational leap. Like the quality of the RTAO makes such a big difference in indirectly lit areas of the track, like on the start of Monaco here. I've got the kind of indirectly lit area at the start of Monaco in that afternoon sun, and you're really seeing like a ton of additional lighting detail with that RTAO that you're not seeing on the base console there.
Now with ray tracing, we can actually use the traced rays to give a proper reflection, to give proper ambient occlusion. It just sits the scene in more realism. It looks more like the broadcast. It feels right. It's just a wow moment to kind of see that happen. It's really exciting for us. It brings people closer
to you to have an 8K screen. And even I lost interest and went back to a 4K display. So I'm very interested to see what you actually get with the 8K mode and how we're actually achieving 8K mode, because there is a school of thought that says that, it's not 8K unless you're rendering at actual 8K.
In the other modes outside of that quality mode, but they kind of seem to be working through it at the moment, so possibly that will get added.
So our PSSR implementation, we haven't gone through many iterations on it at this time. We are looking to see what we can do in our 8K mode to add PSSR, to find more time in the frame,